What is going on, guys? So today I'm going to go into the Snap Windows feature on Windows. Basically, I just said Windows twice, but I'm just going to show off how this works quickly and everything that you can do with it and why you should turn it on, basically. But first things first, before we get into anything, I'm going to show you how to get there. So just closing this, go to the bottom left on your start menu, click on the gear, which is the settings. That'll bring you right here. And then under the settings search, which just makes things easier, just type in Snap Windows, and either one of these is fine. These are all subheadings. So just click here, and this is the feature if you want to follow along with me. So just turn it on, and I'll show you what each one of these does. So when I snap a window, automatically size it to fill available space. So if I drag this over here, it'll automatically size it to fill available space. If I click that, as you can see, this already had this much space, and this automatically filled up the rest of the screen. So this one's a little bigger, as this one does not require as much space. Pretty cool. If you want that to not be on, you could just turn this off and that will not happen. But one more feature, so when I snap a window, show what I can snap next to it. So you probably already saw that happen, but let me just do it again. Drag it over here, and now I can select from different things that I want to snap next to it. So if I don't actually want the Firefox program, I want my File Explorer, just click that, and again, automatically resized. Right, so another cool thing, when I resize a snapped window, simultaneously resize any adjacent snapped window. So what does that mean? Basically, if I drag this guy, it'll resize them. Oh, wrong one. Come on. Okay, hold on, let me do this again. There we go. That's the feature right there. So you have to get it on the black bar, basically. That's when you know it's working. But this automatically resizes both screens. It's a little bit laggy, but it works. If you just let go, it does the trick. It automatically resizes it. As you're dragging it, it might look a little bit laggy, but after you let go, it's all good. So those are the 3 features. Pretty cool. I think you should have them on. This definitely helps with productivity. You don't have to manually resize things, makes things quicker. So just a quick video today though. Hopefully you guys found this helpful. If you did, please drop a like and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.